hearts of many and is a symbol of love and acceptance. He reminds us to celebrate our unique quirks, just like he does. So let's give it up for Monty, the crooked cat, spreading joy and proving that being imperfect is perfect. Meet Whiskers, the extraordinary cat with not 4, not 5, but 6 legs. Whiskers defies the norm with an incredible 6-legged structure. It's truly a sight to behold, but what's even more remarkable is how Whiskers handles it all. A cat with resilience and adaptability is positively astounding. Whiskers has mastered the art of navigating the world with extra limbs. And when it comes to playtime, Whiskers takes it to a whole new level. Whiskers can pounce, jump and explore like no other cat because of extra legs. It's a 6-legged dance of agility and charm. So if you thought 4 legs were impressive, think again. Whiskers proves that more legs mean more fun. Join Whiskers on 6-legged adventures and witness the magic of feline adaptability. Whiskers, the perfect example of embracing uniqueness in the feline world. Remember to show your support if you're enjoying this fantastic journey through the world of strange and extraordinary cats. Liking, commenting and subscribing to our channel is bonza and helps us bring more Ripper videos to your screen. Meet the Sphinx cat, known for quite a distinctive feature. No fur. That's right, this little buddy rocks the bald look, and let me tell you, it suits them right down to the ground. Sphinx cats stand out from the crowd with their wrinkled skin and large ears, but what they lack in fur, they make up for in personality. These cats have energy levels that could rival a rocket. They're always ready for a game of chasey or a zoomy around the house. It's like having a perpetual ball of entertainment right at your fingertips. But don't let their high energy antics fool you. Sphinx cats are total love bugs. They crave attention and affection and are known for their snuggly nature. Get ready for endless cuddle sessions and purr-filled moments. Sphinx cats will always keep you entertained, whether they're showing off their acrobatic skills or demanding your attention. They're the perfect companions for those who appreciate a little extra quirkiness. Meet our special friend Mr. Whiskers, the Polydactyl cat. What's polydactyl, you ask? Well, let me disclose us while Mr. Whiskers shows us that he's got extra toeses. Yep, that's right, he's got toes to spare. How cool is that? Those extra toes give Mr. Whiskers some fantastic abilities. He's a climbing champ, and with those extra digits he can grip on tight, never losing his balance. Just look at those adorable little toesies. Tap, 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 tap. It's like he's got his own built-in percussion section. Mr. Whiskers knows how to have a good time too. Those extra toes give him an edge in playtime. It's an awesome pawsome package that will leave you in wonder. And remember the cuddles. Those extra toes make Mr. Whiskers even more